Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we will learn about ordinal numbers from 1st through 10th. Ordinal numbers are used to show position, rank, or order. They tell us which place something is in a sequence. Let's start with the first 5 ordinal numbers. First is number 1. It shows something is in the first position. Second is number 2. It shows something is in the second position. Third is number 3. Third is an irregular form, so remember it carefully. Fourth is number 4. Fifth is number 5. These are the first 5 ordinal numbers you need to know. Now let's learn the next 5 ordinal numbers. Sixth is number 6. Seventh is number 7. Eighth is number 8. Ninth is number 9. And 10th is number 10. Notice that from 4th onwards, most ordinal numbers end with the letters T, H. This is an important pattern to remember for larger numbers. There are important patterns in ordinal numbers. Numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 follow regular patterns and end with TH. However, 1, 2, and 3 are irregular forms. They do not follow the regular pattern. 1 becomes first, 2 becomes second, and 3 becomes third. Learning these patterns helps you form and understand ordinal numbers correctly. Ordinal numbers are used in many situations. First, use them to describe position or rank. For example, she came in first place in the race. Second, use them for dates. For example, my birthday is on the 5th of June. Third, use them for sequences. For example, the 3rd chapter is the most interesting. These are common ways to use ordinal numbers in everyday English. Let's review the important points. Remember that 1st, 2nd, and 3rd are irregular forms and do not follow the regular pattern. Most ordinal numbers use the ending TH. This applies to numbers 4 through 10 and beyond. Practice using ordinal numbers for dates, rankings, and sequences. This will help you become comfortable with ordinal numbers in real conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.